Want to know how to make money on TikTok? Let's get started. So TikTok has this creator program beta that just started, and here's some eligibility information and how to join. But I'm going to tell you more about it. So first of all, you want to go to your TikTok page, go to your creator tools. Once there, scroll down to creativity program beta. When you get to that, if you are eligible, you'll see that all that will be checked and the apply button will be red and you are ready to go. Once you apply, you have to wait a couple of days. Sometimes it's faster and you get this. This is the congratulation, and you need to set up your dashboard. So let me show you, there's some information here. Read this, learn it, and then you can now verify your identity. You want to choose your issue date or issue place and you want to choose that. Then you want to load up your identity. You can do driver's license. So I chose driver's license. You want to look and see how they want you to do it. So this is the picture. This is the good example. Those are the bad examples. Make sure you get the good examples so that you can do it right. Once you've done that, you want to click and start verification. Once you do that, you have to put your driver's license to take that picture and then do the back also, and then click on start. Once it has uploaded successfully, you are good to go, and you need to just click on next and submit your information. So the next thing you want to do is you want to set up your payment method and also your tax information. So PayPal is usually preferred way, but you can also choose other methods and set that up. And now all you just have to do is wait for everything to be verified. If you enjoyed this video, I'm going to tell you the next step. So keep on watching and watch out for the next video. Bye.